Hello and welcome everybody. BNGO stock on 29 November, step by step with easy explanation. In this video, let's start. We have here this value here on 0 and 1 Fibonacci level. Okay, and we can say that absolutely may happen on this stock. So according to what we want to see here on another part, it's going to be referring what can be exactly here on the other side. So the price is now in the middle process on 4 hours update. If we went for 1 day, it's going to be the same, and it can be clearly explained by its technical analysis. But since we see in BNGO stock in this form, we can say also that it's going to be clear to be explained in its middle process. Maybe the middle process for this level or for this level, but I think it's going to be about this level because since we see that going to be on 0.5. Okay, maybe if we put it on our level, it's going to be this model process. And since we can go for the middle process, it's going to be referring for this level here. That's what can we say about the BNGO stock.